Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. In today's video I'll be showing you Peacock TV how to turn on subtitles. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to turn on subtitles on your Peacock TV application, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Peacock TV application and sign in if needed. Then once that's done, what you need to do is play a video. To play a video, simply scroll down your available options or your continued watching options. Simply select the content series that you are watching and simply tap on that. Now simply tap on play to play the video, and then once you tap on play, what you need to do is, if you are using it from your mobile or tablet, simply tap on your screen, and once that's done, you will find the option playback controls. Now look for an option that says CC and then simply tap on it, or a speech bubble icon as well. Then in order to turn on subtitles, simply tap or click the icon and then now select the language, example English, and the subtitles will appear immediately. Now tap back or click outside the menu and the subtitles stay on while you watch. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.